Let's start by going through the setup wizard. You may find the setup wizard from within your Vendio account by going to My Vendio in the menu at the top, and then click on My Vendio Handmade. Once you're on the setup wizard, just go ahead and click the Start Now button at the center of the page. First, we're going to go ahead and click the Link Your Amazon Account button. And this will direct us right on over to Amazon to sign in. And then we'll just sign in to the Amazon account. Depending on how you have your account set up, you may need to use two-step verification. You may not. It really just depends on your Amazon account settings, but mine is set up that way. So I need to grab that code really quick here so that we can log in. And so we'll go ahead and enter that in. And now we are on the page on Amazon to connect our Amazon account to our Vendio account. There is a short message letting you know what you are agreeing to here. Make sure you take a quick look and that you do agree with it. And assuming that you do, go ahead and check the box to the left that says you understand, and then click Next. And then once we're on the next page, we just have to click the Continue button to complete the connection. All right, and then we're back at the setup wizard, and our Amazon Handmade account and Vendio accounts are now connected.